Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn off Control Center on the lock screen in Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon on your home screen to open up the settings. This is your main hub for customizing how your Pixel device behaves, and it's where you'll find all the privacy and display options you need. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Display and Touch. This section controls everything related to how your screen looks and responds, including what appears on your lock screen. It's an important area for managing both visual preferences and security settings. Now, within the Display and Touch menu, look for and tap on Lock Screen. This is where you can customize what information and controls are accessible when your phone is locked. Managing these settings helps you balance convenience with privacy, ensuring that sensitive controls aren't available to anyone who picks up your phone. Next, you'll see an option labeled Use Device Controls. This feature allows quick access to smart home devices and other controls directly from your lock screen without unlocking your phone. While it's convenient, some users prefer to disable it for security reasons or simply to keep their lock screen cleaner and more minimal. To turn this feature off, simply tap the toggle button beside Use Device Controls. You'll see the toggle switch from blue to gray, indicating that the control center is now disabled on your lock screen. This means that anyone who picks up your locked phone won't be able to access these controls without first unlocking the device. And that's it. You've now disabled the control center on your lock screen, giving you better privacy and a cleaner lock screen experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.